Well, hello there, this is Diamond for Diamond Shine. So guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today we are going to make some Snowflake and Waffles wax melts, okay? These are not just Christmas wax melts. We just talking about Snowflake, so they are for the winter. I'm trying to make you guys a line, but I don't want to just put Christmas because we already almost at Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipes and the videos that I post. If you do, go ahead, hit that like, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you do not miss the upcoming videos. All right, let's go right into it. So guys, listen, if you want the entire recipe, you want everything that I use, the wax, the hot throw, the cold throw, everything, go ahead, subscribe to my Patreon. It's linked in the description box. You will not be disappointed. You will learn how to make candles in 30 days. I promise you, if you stick with me, you will have a fantastic smelling candle. I don't play with y'all, all right? If it ain't one thing y'all know about me, y'all know I don't play with them candles. All right, so let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. So this particular mold is the waffle mold. You will find this mold on Amazon. It's very simple to find. Please don't buy it off of Brambleberry. And also, we're going to be using some candy sprinkles, the same ones used on cupcakes. So, same ones used on donuts. You know, it don't harm the wax melter. It don't catch on fire or anything like that. Only thing it do is just sit in the warmer. And when you pour out the wax, it goes out too. Okay, so let's talk about the wax that we're going to be using. So, we're going to be using a very soft paraffin wax. This is just straight paraffin. But this is in a pellet form. And also, because guys, look how hard that wax usually is. It's really hard to use that wax. So this wax that we're using is a container wax. So we're going to have to blend it with another wax just to be able to get that translucent look out of it and to get something a little bit more solid. Okay. All right. So here we are. We're just putting our candy sprinkles in there. Guys, just sprinkle on in. Enjoy your time. You know, it don't really matter how much, but don't just do too much because it'll look really funny if you put a whole lot of sprinkles in there. Okay. All right. So I'm just basically just putting them and spreading them out because I don't want them all clumped up in one area. So that's just one thing that you have to be aware of. All right. And so this wax, it cools down pretty quick. It solidifies really quick. So the only thing about the wax that you need to know is you need to make sure you pour your fragrance in at a cooler, a hotter temperature, because you'll notice that as soon as you turn that wax off, that temperature just going to start dropping really fast. And that's normally what paraffin does. It does drop pretty fast. But one thing you can count on is paraffin will give you the strongest, the strongest wax melts that you ever made in your life will come from paraffin wax. Hear me out. But you have to make a blend just so, you know, you can get those colors and stuff that you want it to be. And also, you know, you have less molten, and that's like the holes and stuff like that when you blend it. Okay, so I blend mine. As you can see, it's like a soy tart wax on the bottom and that particular paraffin on the top. So I'm taking my temperature. And now what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to go ahead and add my fragrance, and then I'm going to pour these inside of this particular mold. Okay, guys. Now, you're going to have to leave these for about 3 to 4 days just so you can be able to get that hot throw. So I know paraffin does, you know, you get a hot throw really quick, but if you leave it for about 3 days, it smells fantastic. All right, so let's go ahead and start getting this all the way into our molds. And listen, guys, remember that when you unmold these, don't package them up right away, because that's the easy thing to do, to just slap them in a package. No, let them sit out, let them get hard, because if you put them in there right away, you'll have a lot of wax residue inside of your packaging if you use the same packaging that I used. Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so they are solidified. I'm going to go ahead and put everything on my packaging. You want to make sure you do that first before you put the waffles in there, because you'll have some ugly looking labels. Okay, that's my finished product. I already done packaged it up, guys. Do you like that? I think they're pretty cute. You could use any color sprinkled, so you can pretty much do birthday cake ones. I'm serious. It's just not just for Christmas. It's for any day. Okay. All right, guys. Happy holidays. All right.